Today, I'm going to show you how to take down a website on GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. If you've built a site and want to temporarily remove it from public view, this is the fastest way to do it, without deleting everything. This is useful if you're redesigning your site, making updates behind the scenes, or just want to pause your online presence for a while. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account using the email and password connected to your website. Once you're in, head over to your My Products page. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the websites, domains, and other services connected to your account, so this is the starting point for managing your site. Now scroll down until you find the Websites Plus Marketing section. If you have more than one product on your account, make sure you're looking at the correct website. Next to the site you want to take down, click Manage. This will open the controls for that specific website, so you're working on the right project. After that, click Edit Website. This opens the Site Builder dashboard, where you can make changes to the design, pages, and publishing settings. You do not need to delete your content to take the site offline, so don't worry if you just want it hidden for now. Once the website preview dashboard loads, look at the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You should see the Unpublish option there. Click Unpublish to begin the process of taking the site down. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm your choice, so take a moment to review the prompt before continuing. When you're ready, confirm the action. After that, your website will no longer be publicly visible. Instead, your domain will usually show a standard Coming Soon page or a placeholder page, depending on your setup. That means visitors will not be able to access your live website the way they normally would. This is a great option if you want to temporarily remove your site without fully deleting it. If you ever want to bring it back later, you can go back into GoDaddy and republish it from the same area. So this gives you a simple way to pause your site while keeping everything saved in your account. And that's it. Your GoDaddy website is now taken down and replaced with a placeholder page. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.